What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about Wave. Wave Financial offers a platform that allows users to accept online payments, manage invoices, and streamline accounting processes. With Wave's payment solutions, users can accept credit cards, bank payments, and Apple Pay for transactions with low fees starting at 1% per transaction. The service enables users to get paid quickly, enhance their brand image, and maintain professional invoicing practices. Additionally, Wave provides tools for creating customizable invoices, automating overdue reminders, setting up recurring bills, and tracking expenses to facilitate smoother financial operations. Now, let's take a look at its key features. Wave's invoicing feature allows users to create unlimited estimates, invoices, bills, and maintain bookkeeping records effortlessly. Users can accept online payment at competitive rates with bank payments starting at 1% per transaction and credit card transactions beginning at 2.9% plus $0.60 per transaction. The convenience of invoicing on the go through the Wave app and managing cash flow and customer interactions within unified dashboard enhances efficiency and professionalism. With Wave's payment feature, businesses can accept online payments seamlessly at cost-effective rates. Credit card transactions are processed starting at 2.9% plus $0.60 per transaction, providing a convenient payment solution for customers. The integration of invoicing capabilities within the Wave app further simplifies the payment process for users, ensuring a smooth transaction experience. Wave's accounting feature offers organized and stress-free small business accounting solutions. Users can easily manage cash flow, prepare for tax obligations, and streamline financial operations. By connecting bank accounts to automate transaction imports and categorization, businesses can generate insightful financial reports to aid in decision-making process. Wave's payroll feature provides comprehensive payroll services with varying fees based on the state for tax filing purposes. It supports automated generation of W-2 and 1099 tax forms, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. The seamless integration of payroll data with Wave accounting simplifies bookkeeping tasks and enhances overall operational efficiency. For additional support and guidance, Wave Advisors offers coaching and advisory services in bookkeeping, payroll, and tax matters for a supplementary fee. Services include assistance with payroll processing, tax filing requirements, and integration with a Wise business account for managing multi-currency transactions effectively. Now, let's take a look at its drawbacks. While Wave Financial offers competitive rates for online payments, the platform has limited payment options compared to some other payment processors. Users may find themselves restricted in terms of payment methods available for their customers, potentially leading to missed business opportunities. Wave's accounting features may not cater to business with complex accounting requirements. Users with advanced accounting needs, such as intricate financial reporting or specialized industry-specific accounting practices, may find the platform lacking in certain functionalities or customization options. Wave's payroll services, while convenient for many small businesses, may have limitations for larger organizations or those with more complex payroll structures. Businesses requiring advanced payroll features such as detailed employee benefits management or intricate tax calculations may find Wave's payroll service insufficient for their needs. In conclusion, Wave Financial offers a user-friendly platform with features like online payments, efficient invoicing, streamlined accounting, and payroll services. While it provides valuable tools for small businesses, there are limitations in payment options, advanced accounting capabilities, and payroll functionalities that users should consider when evaluating its suitability for their specific needs. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.